Hi guys, and welcome to Copy Trading Chronicles. On this channel we will review in deep copy trading, all pros and cons, risk and hidden risk, which is usually not advertised by exchange and Bybit especially. So today we will review July top performance master traders, which advertised by Bybit, and we will go deeper in the potential risk and the real stats of those traders. So let's start. First, let's start from top balanced traders. You see there is three traders which advertised by Bybit, and their stats looks amazing. Like you see 151%, 585%, 335%. So means when you look on those stats, you cannot wait when you will start invest. But let's dive deeper. The number one is Lycan Tyler, who put it as a place one. So good things about this trader. So you see Bybit ranking him 5 out of 5 stability index. And the good point is that guy is not hiding his overall investment. So means he has 10K put in the risk, okay, which is respectful. His stats over the 30 days looks also pretty much good, yeah. But let's look on the 90-day stats. And on 90-day stats, we can see that guy has some bad times somewhere at the beginning of June, mid of June. He has a big drawdown, approximately 55%. Okay, so it's what needs to be considered. Whatever the stats he has now, the possible drawdown around 55%. And another good point, this guy is not hiding his trades, which is good, which is again respect to master trader. But if you look, you see that 3 out of 4 his trades in the dip, like 17% drawdown, 6% drawdown, and only one trades is like 15%, 3% up, like $16. So, and also you can see how risky is a guy, and he stays in the long. For example, with position like Solana, he started long from 202, and it's logically that it's drawdown because there is correction, etc. So yeah, it helps you to make your own assessment. So let's say last days guy trades good, but then possible drawdown. So maybe now he approaching to the same levels. Yeah, like you see his profitability goes down, and risk is there. Yeah, up to 55%. So we will take follow-up of this guy after 2 weeks, somewhere in the middle of August. We will see how he is performing. The second guy is the PP Gun. He put on the second place by Bybit. So yeah, if you look on the trades of this guy, ROI is incredible. Yeah, like 585, 11,000 PNL done by this guy. Just for this considering why followers only $16, yeah. And maximum drawdown for the last 30 days is 30%. So which is not really the small. And if you look on the 90-day stats of this guy, we see that he is positive, but his followers get losses. Yeah, so means in the duration of 90 days, 3 months, nobody get profit from these guys. Yeah, and his maximum drawdown 72%. Yeah, you can see his here. So I would say that's very risky, very short-term risky. Maybe the best times of this guy already gone, and he moving to again drawdowns. Yeah, like you see, it was drawdowns. Then he did some few good trades, earned his money, and now he probably going again to be down. This is a scaring, yeah? So this is number 2, and we will also follow up him in 2 weeks time, somewhere in the mid of August. And number 3 is Valentin AI. So you see, it's an interesting guy. He has like 270,000 under management, yeah, and he forced for minimum investment of 5K. So it means to subscribe for this guy, he wants you to put $5,000 under the risk. And 30 days stats looks incredibly good. 300% of ROI, just 3% drawdown, ideal curve, yeah. Let's look on the 90 days. And on 90 days, it already looks no sexy. 57, almost 58% drawdown, yeah. And this is what should scare you. Like you see, in some days, guy get like booms, big drawdown, and then start to recover. So it might works, but he asks you to put 5000K under the risk. So have you willings to put 5000K for guy who can allow it himself like almost 60% drawdown? Means it's a big question. Do you want to put 5000 under the risk? Yeah. Okay, so that was review of all three traders highlighted like top balance traders on Bybit. We will follow up them in 2 weeks time in the middle of August, and we will see if they keep same performance, if people gain, if you invest today, if you will gain in the middle of August, or you will lose, or whatever will happen. So stay with us, subscribe, and keep following the traders. So now let's look on the second category of Bybit traders, top ROI traders. Yeah, we can see Stellar Scaler and Sniper and Exit the Matrix, and stats is incredible. You see 900%, 400%, 400%. So okay guys, let's dive deeper and see what is going behind the scene with those traders. Okay, so let's look on Stellar Scaler, number one in the Bybit top ROI traders. So you see he put never set trailing stop loss, which will after close your position. Okay, we fully rely on you guy. So if you look on 7-day stats, it's pretty much good. 100% win rate, maximum drawdown 63%, and guy gaining the money. Let's look on the 90-day stats, yeah. And here, what we can see, maximum drawdown 98%. So means in the past, not so far ago, guy kills his deposit, and you see it's like he is trading like few weeks and then kills deposit, few weeks kills deposit. So now he already trading 2 weeks, so maybe it his last chance, you know, to win. So yeah, for you to consider. It's advertising like number one by Bybit, but he already get at least one time maximum drawdown 99%. Yeah, he kills his deposit, but his 7-day stats looks incredible. So probably guy put everything in the risk, big amount of money, big leverage, and trying to win. But how sustainable it is? Do you like to invest to this guy or not? It's up to you to decide. Then Alt Sniper. So number two in the Bybit top ROI recommended trader. So if you look on the 7-day stats, 470%, incredible, yeah. Just few days of trading, good result, good number of trades, good win rate, maximum drawdown manageable 22.7%. Let's look on 90 days result, yeah. And what we can see on the 90 days result. So this guy, again, maximum drawdown 98%, 99%. So it means he kills his deposit. And probably somewhere here, like in the May, and then probably in the mid of June. So now he's trading just 2 weeks. And yeah, he demonstrated good result, but how sustainable it is if he already has lost. Not on the long term, yeah, it's short term. I would say 90 days, like 3 months history, and in 3 months he already kills his deposit. And also his graph, you see, it's not very sustainable. Like he trades, then he doesn't trade, now he trades again. So yeah, this is number two advertised by Bybit. Let's keep eye on him in middle of August and let's see how he is performing. And number three, Exit the Matrix, yeah. So this guy trading just 17 days, and on 7 days history he demonstrates very good results, but even better results he demonstrated on the 90 days history. You see, drawdown just 6%, ROI 1700. So I mean, nothing to say about this guy. So far he shows good result, but because of history is very short, just 17 days. So let's see how sustainable he will be during the next 2 weeks. Yeah, as I said, because the history is short and most of the guys they keep like good, nice looking graphs, but no longer than 1 month. Yeah. So let's see. Let's keep eye on these guys and let's follow up him also in the mid of August. So we did review top ROI 3 traders like gold, silver, and bronze advertised by Bybit. We will follow up them in the mid of August. So please subscribe and stay with us for see how those guys performance, and if you invest into them today, would you earn money, would you lose money, or what would be your profit? Yeah, we will review it in a couple of weeks from now. And the last category we will review today, it's our top pickup. So means it's a trader which picked up by Bybit and recommended to you to invest. So usually it's most transfer category, like top pickups. Okay, you think that someone pick up the really profitable, good, stable traders and advise you to invest. So let's look deeper into them. This guy, Evgen Abramov, so you see he has 89k under management and he has his own 16k, almost 17k on the deposit, which is trustful and which allowed us to say, okay, guy put his money under risk. His 7 days stats are very good, yeah, let's say 73% and maximum drawdown almost zero. Let's look on his long-term stats, yeah, and here again we see that it's not sustainable investment opportunity, let's say like this, because on the period of 90 days guy already has 87% drawdown and his followers lost money. Yeah? They're not gaining in the long-term opportunities. So somewhere here probably he get like beginning of June, mid of June, he generate huge losses. Yeah, like 87% drawdown. That means he almost killed his deposits. Yeah, and yeah, so you see 89,000 under management, but it's not means nothing. Yeah? Guy can kill his deposit anytime. And if you look on his trades now, again, he stays in the long, and this correction on the market probably now, and you see it's like minus 15 and minus 7%. So his max drawdown is already not actual one. Yeah, so actual one is probably 23%. Yeah, it's what we can see from his most recent trades. So yeah, this is number one, and we will follow up him and see how he performing within the next few weeks. So the number two is the king. He has good stats, also 57k under the management, and good, nice looking curve within the last 7 days. Drawdown is almost zero. Yeah, let's look on the 90 days for this guy. And on 90 days, again and again and again, you can see that drawdown 100%, yeah, 99.9. Followers lose already on this guy, 77k. Look, 77,000 followers already lose on this guy, and still there is a people who invest into him 57,000. People are trusting to the Bybit advertising and don't doing their own research. This is a corporate. If you look like this, would you invest into this guy again? You see, in the 90 days period. So you see, somewhere here in the beginning of June, he kills all his followers' deposit. So it means now he trading like, let's say, another month, yeah, month, 1.5 months, maybe a few weeks even, yeah. So that's what should scare you. Like on the 30 days, he's not really positive. He start to be positive somewhere here, yeah, from the mid of June, from last few weeks. That's his success came. So yeah, again, let's see how this guy will perform be careful about investing and trusting to Bybit. And this was number 2 in the top Bybit pickups, which they recommend you to invest. And the last third place in this topic, so guy has more than 1000 days of trading. His stats looks maybe not so impressive, but win rate is good, maximum drawdown is small, curve is ideal. Yeah, he also not hiding his own money, so means he has 42,000k under management and his own assets is 5,000. Let's look what he stats over the last 90 days. So yeah, he's still positive over the 90 days, but his maximum drawdown already a bit much more risky than he has on the 7 days. It's 61%, almost 62. And you see how his graph looks like. So I mean, somewhere from the May until the mid of June, guy was in regular losses. So maybe he just wait, he just wait when market will correct back and keep his position there. So yeah, it's not really promising to invest in this guy, I would say, especially he has like not so big 30% only. And what we can see, yeah, he keeping one position also in the long, and his profit it's around 0 now. So yeah, let's see. I mean, it's not the worst from all those guys who we review today, but let's monitor and follow up him in a couple of weeks. So that was our review of Bybit top pickups. I will not call our, it's not my top pickups, Bybit top pickups. And let's monitor them in a couple of weeks in the mid of August. Let's see how they performing. Let's see what would happen with your money if you invest into them, or you gain money, you destroy your deposit, or what happens in the real story. So subscribe, stay with me, put your personal experience in the comments, and I wish you all the good profits. So always never trust to advertising on the exchanges, always do your own research and invest mindfully. So thanks for your time, subscribe, stay with me, and see you soon, guys. Bye.